I'm really proud that our students have taken up the project on bringing awareness about the LGBTQI community and trying to give a human angle or touch to it. And the way our students have taken to this project, understood the complexities.
Lesbian, gay and bisexual, these are types of sexual orientation.
Very happy that our students are doing something different, something constructive, something good for the society.
When we started this project, our main aim was to create an environment that is inclusive towards the LGBTQI community, and the principle that we worked on was to spread awareness about them and tell people about the stigma that they face in our society. This is our library section that we've created in our senior library. It contains books regarding the LGBTQI community and some informative books and brochures. So this is our complaint box where students can submit any complaint regarding any kind of violence, teasing, regarding their sexual orientation that they face, and our counsellor will look into the matter and solve the problem. This is our notice board that chronicles LGBTQI news. We update it every month with news, and it's done by our art team which takes care of it. And this is our support flag that students made for this project.
As a Tagore International School policy, we train our students to be pioneers. We train them to think outside the box. That is what we are proud of. And we took this up because we knew nobody else would.
It will be very beneficial in changing, the way that society feels about the LGBT community.
After that session which we had with them, we were quite clear with the concept of LGBTQI.
I appreciate the fact that it's a very conservative topic which people normally generally don't talk about.
They were like normal people, and I don't think there's any need to discriminate against them, and we need to live uniformly like a homogeneous society.
Came to know quite a few things, and yes, after seeing it, I think I felt like joining the project. I felt like being part of the project.
When I went home on the dinner table at night, I explained all this to my mother also, who asked day to day what I did in school, and she was really impressed and asked me to be a part of this campaign, and now I'm in the art section of the campaign with him.
I think it's incredible that young people are getting involved in these kind of issues and wanting to do something about this, because I think respect is a very learned behavior. All of us need to learn to respect and to respect differences, which at the best of times can be difficult, and especially when we see someone who's different or from what we consider to be the norm, we tend to look down on them. But what we need to realize is that they have the same feelings, and they need to feel the same way that we want to feel about ourselves.
Since I came out in my school, I'm actually very proud of what they're doing for people like me. And I kind of wish I was there in my school since it's happening right now.
First of all, I want to say that I am so impressed with the Breaking Barriers group here at Tagore, because it is so hard, first of all, to mobilize and organize students in general.
तो हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, बच्चे काफ़ी पॉजिटिव वे में हमसे सवाल पूछ रहे थे, और इससे देखने को मिल रहा है कि बच्चों के अंदर काफ़ी जो टीन एज के बच्चे होते हैं या स्कूल के बच्चे होते हैं, उनके अंदर काफ़ी ऐसी बातें होती हैं और उनके अंदर काफ़ी सवाल होते हैं.
Learning to respect, I think, becomes such a fundamental bit of, or should become such a fundamental bit of who we are, because if we learn to respect others, we then learn to respect ourselves, and I think that makes life so much easier.